Good morning. Before we start our program, I'd like to share a few housekeeping items. Students, you received the letter or your letter of intent when you checked in. When your program is called, please bring the letters to the stage with you. Please enter the stage on the left and you exit on the right. We will be taking photos in the media area at the top of the stairs, just outside next to where you checked in. Thank you, Katie. After each group leaves the stage. So once your group is exited, you will go up and out for the media photos. Guests are also welcome to take personal photos with the backdrop after the conclusion of the program. So once everything wraps up, that area will be up and open, and we do enjoy families taking those photos. So today's event is being recorded. It will be posted on the National Coalition of Certification Centers website, as well as placed on the NICC YouTube page. These websites are listed on the slide if you would like to take a photo for future reference. Please do a little quick click. Finally, we invite family and friends to take as many photos as you would like, and you're welcome to take photos while your student is signing their letter of intent on the stage. However, we do ask that you remain seated between the signings and until the end of the program to avoid disruptions. Okay, so now I welcome President David Doms of NICC to the podium to get us started.
Thank you, Amy. So today, welcome everybody to Northeast Iowa Community College's 6th annual Career and Technical Signing Day. Today, students, we celebrate you. You're taking an important first step in a high-skilled career. By signing your letter of intent and choosing NICC, you're making a commitment not only to your education, but to a career filled with opportunity. We are honored to be joined by Jeff Small of Snap-on Tools, an NC3 participation partner. Invite you to welcome Jeff. Jeff, where are you? There he is. There he is. Thank you to Jeff and our employer and donor sponsors for being able to celebrate these students, the future of your workforce in our region. Across Northeast Iowa, employers continue to face strong need for skilled workers in areas such as healthcare, advanced manufacturing, transportation, construction, and information technology. In many of these fields, demand for trained professionals continues to outpace available workforce, creating strong careers for students who are prepared with the right skills. Career and technical education offers a direct path to these opportunities. These programs lead directly to careers in 2 years or less with highly competitive wages and long-term stability. Our signing day is part of the National Career and Technical Education Letter of Intent Signing Day, which is held at colleges across the region. The nationwide event is the initiative of the National Coalition of Certification Centers, NC3. Join me in watching their message to you for the future of our nation.
I'd like to welcome you to National Technical Letter Intent Signing Day.
Today, you're taking a step forward, a step toward becoming a maker and fixer essential to our nation and our way of life.
By choosing career and technical education, you're joining a community of innovators and problem solvers.
We want to wish you the best of luck and pass along the congratulations on the choices you're making today and the future successes you're going to achieve.
That success starts today as you embark on this exciting new educational journey in CTE.
Congratulations on participating in this year's National Signing Day for Career and Technical Education.
Welcome to National Signing Day and to your very bright future.
I want to congratulate you on making this important decision.
And I want to thank all the participating colleges for joining us on this very, very special day, recognizing students from all across this United States of the value and the nobleness of technical education.
This was an idea about how to engage directly with young people and bring them into great career fields.
And this event celebrates and recognizes the critical importance of career and technical education.
Today you're signing with a school that's going to prepare you for the quickly changing world of work.
This commitment to become the next generation of skilled professionals places you on the forefront of innovation.
This certificate or degree and the certifications you earn will be the proof your future employer needs to know you'll get the job done right.
You'll not only be ready for the first job, but on a journey for a very successful career.
The educational journey you are starting out on today will not only help you and your family,
but it's also important to your community and to the nation as a whole.
Today, we celebrate your commitment to become part of that great American legacy.
Congratulations to the schools, instructors, and family members supporting each student as they embark on this first step in what I know will be a rewarding and meaningful career.
We are here as industry partners to cheer you on. We're so excited to be part of your journey.
Thank you for participating in this important day.
I'm delighted today to join NC3, congratulating students who are signing today for challenge and opportunity tomorrow.
Hope has a face. Today that hope begins. Congratulations to all of you. What a great day this is.
This country of ours was built by the hearts, the minds, and the strength of its people. It was not by chance that we got here. It was because people dared to set their sights and achieve. NC3 celebrates you. You are the dreamers of today, the doers of tomorrow. Your signature on this National Signing Day sets your sights on success, and we are here beside you. Together, we will build, grow, and improve. There are thousands of you today, across the country, declaring your intent to achieve. Career and technical education is the key to your bright future. That's why your instructors, your school, and NC3 are here for you. That's why our industry partners are investing in you. We want you to certify that you've got what it takes to succeed, and we know you do. We want the world to know what you are capable of. You sign today to formally continue your journey, a journey to the career that we know you deserve. You will transport us in vehicles faster and smarter than they have ever been. You will keep us safe and comfortable in buildings, stronger and brighter than they have ever been. You will use the tools and technology of today to build the tools and technology of tomorrow. You will feed us, keep us healthy, and light the way. Your creativity and ideas will enable invention, conservation, and endless possibilities for all of us. NC3 and our industry partners are proud of you. We celebrate you. So sign your name and join us. We need you now more than ever. Congratulations and welcome.
Students here are supported by a strong network of family, friends, faculty, donors, and industry partners who are here and understand the value of your path. I'd also like to take a moment to recognize our scholarship and employer sponsors, those who've listed on the screen behind me. Many are here with us today. If you're here, please feel to stand up and be acknowledged. These individuals and organizations believe in you and are investing in your success because they understand the importance of the career you are choosing to enter. Thank you for being here today. And with that, I will turn this back over to Amy Gaffney, our Vice President of Student Services.
Excuse me. Yeah. Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. So your education will be rooted in the knowledge and skill of our exceptional faculty. The faculty teaching in our career and technical education programs are not just educators. They are industry professionals, tradespeople, clinicians, technicians, and specialists who have spent their careers mastering the very skills that they will now pass on to you. They know that employers are looking for. They know what challenges you'll face in the field, and they know how to prepare you for that because they've been there themselves. From day one, their real-world experience will shape your training, sharpen your skills, and connect your education directly to the opportunities waiting for you after graduation. That bridge between the classroom and your career is one of the most valuable things you will gain here, and it exists because of them. We want to take a moment to honor the people who make that possible. Would all faculty teaching in our career and technical education programs please stand and be recognized? I know you're here. Thank you. Now, I'd like to welcome Bill Holland, president of JB Holland Construction, based in Decorah, to say a few words. Bill is a Decorah native and a graduate of Decorah High School, later earning his degree in business administration from the University of Northern Iowa. After college, he returned home to work in his family's construction business. When that company closed as the original owners retired, Bill decided, along with his cousin, to continue the family legacy by founding JB Holland Construction in 1992. What began as a small 5-person operation has grown under Bill's leadership into a company of roughly 75 employees, delivering complex, heavy civil projects, including road grading, industrial site development, landfills, airports, utilities, and soil stabilization work across the state and expanding through the Midwest. Bill has also been a strong leader beyond his company, serving on numerous local and state boards, including as president of the Association of General Contractors of Iowa and the Decorah Area Chamber of Commerce. Today, Bill continues to lead JB Holland Construction with a focus on people, integrity, and long-term thinking, and he's proud to be welcoming the next generation of his family into the business. Bill, I invite you up.
Thank you, Amy. Welcome, everyone. Just a few short words I want to say. There's only 2 points I really want you to take away from today from me. One is your community needs you. You are valuable. And the second one is your choice today coming to NICC is a sound one. Doesn't matter if you decide to change paths in the future, your choice for NICC is a great foundation, a sound choice. So on my first point, your community needs you. Northeast Iowa needs you to fill positions. We need you at JB Holland to fill these positions. There are going to be fewer people in the world, let alone Northeast Iowa, to fill the critical roles of electricians, mechanics, business individuals, animal science and healthcare, computer science, and many more. I can almost guarantee you that you'll have a job when you leave this program here at NICC, as long as you just apply yourself. I could not say that if you're attending a community or a four-year university, from the simple fact that NICC is a community college and they understand what's needed in the community, and they offer programs and careers that are in demand in our community. Your community needs you to learn these trades and come back and support and help your community flourish. Without you, our communities can't flourish. Therefore, you are valuable, and don't ever forget that. My second point today is that your choice today is sound. It's a good choice to come to NICC. Even if you're unsure that the career you currently have chosen is the correct one, some days I wonder what I'm going to do when I grow up. You know, you can still change, you can make adjustments, but the choice today is serving to make building blocks for the future. So no matter what, this is a good start. It's a good foundation. You'll be receiving a certificate and a degree that you'll always have. No one can take it away from you. You can always build on it and add to it. Not to mention that the cost of your education today is much less than if you were attending a four-year university. So you'll be earning a living, making an impact in your community long before some of your current fellow classmates are done raking up maybe even half of their college debt. You'll be better off than them. You made a sound choice. So in summary, you're needed, you're wanted, you're valuable to your community wants you to succeed. You are our future in this community. Therefore, you're important to our community. Your community needs you. Don't forget that point. Your second one, it's a sound choice. Don't second guess it for a second. NICC is a great place to start your career, and you can always build from there. So welcome, congratulations for signing.
Thank you, Bill. Today reflects a national movement. Just like athletes signing their letter of intent, you are committing to a career path that is essential. Congratulations to each of you. We're glad you're here, and we're proud that you chose NICC to help you with your decision, and excited to see the impact that you will make going forward. So we will get started with the program and that letter signing with our Dean of Power Mechanics, Energy and Construction, Mark Guerin.
I've owned beef cattle all my life and wanted to further my career in that, and that led me here. I can do multiple things with that degree and still be able to work with cows every day like I want, and still be able to get the book work done as well. Just having a degree under my belt and being able to go straight into the workforce, it's something that I've always wanted, and only taking 2 years to get there.
My time at NICC really prepared me for what was to come when I started working full-time. I'm truly very happy where I am in life, and Dr. Lee and the Vet Tech program made that all possible. Good luck to all of you, and never give up.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'd like to invite students pursuing careers in ag business, beef science, dairy science, and vet tech to the stage, please. Agriculture remains the backbone of our region's economy and way of life. It is an industry rooted in tradition, yet driven by innovation. From precision agriculture and data-driven decision-making to sustainable practices and advanced equipment. The careers you are entering are essential. Farmers, agribusiness professionals, and agricultural specialists ensure that food is produced, resources are managed responsibly, and communities continue to thrive. Your work will have a direct impact not only locally, but globally. Today's agricultural professionals must be adaptable, knowledgeable, and forward-thinking. Whether you're pursuing a career in production agriculture, agribusiness, animal science, or ag technology, you're preparing to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving industry. We're also proud to have many of our industry partners and supporters with us today, and we thank those. You'll see them on the screen there. These organizations help shape our programs, provide hands-on learning opportunities, and often become future employers of our graduates. At NICC, our agriculture programs are designed to reflect real-world environments. You're gaining practical experience working with modern tools and learning from faculty who understand the needs of today's agri-industry. This prepares you to step confidently into your careers. The path you're choosing matters. Agriculture sustains our communities, drives our economy, and supports lives across the world. Congratulations to each one of you. At this time, we'll recognize each of you, students, individually. Please share your name and the agriculture program you're entering. Mike's in front of you there.
My name is Hadley Houck, and I'm going to be majoring in dairy science technology.
My name is Mackenzie Davis, and I'm going to be majoring in production and companion animal veterinary technician.
My name is Jocelyn Harrison, and I'll be majoring in production and companion animal veterinary technician.
My name is Madeline Connell, and I'll be majoring in ag business with an additional certificate in ag finance.
I'm Michaela Weber. I will be majoring in ag business and finance.
My name is Emily Rutalik, and I'll be majoring in beef science technology.
Thank you very much. This moment marks an important step in your journey. As you sign, you are committing to complete your program and prepare for a meaningful career in agriculture. Please sign both of the letters that are in front of you. Leave one copy on the table for the college, and then you may exit the stage to the immediate area and wait for all the students to complete their signing for a group photo. Welcome to our first group of agriculture students. So please share your name and the agriculture program you're entering.
My name's Ashlyn Cruzy, and I will be in the Production and Companion Animal Veterinarian Technician program.
My name's Allison Calendar, and I will be majoring in beef science and ag business.
My name is Logan Baldock, and I'll be majoring in dairy science technology and agribusiness.
So your signature today also represents your commitment to your education, your future, and the impact you'll make in this essential industry. Please go ahead and sign both letters. Leave one on the table for the college. And let's welcome our second group of ag business, beef science, dairy science, and vet tech. Next up, I'd like to invite the students who are stepping into careers that quite literally keep our region running, automotive technology, to the stage. These careers are universally essential to everyday life. Businesses, farms, construction sites, and families rely on vehicles and equipment that must perform safely and efficiently. Behind that reliability are skilled technicians who know how to keep things moving. Across our region, employers are looking for technicians who can work on increasingly advanced systems, from computerized diagnostics to modern diesel engines. This is not the same industry it was a decade ago. Today's technicians combine hands-on skill with technical knowledge, problem solving, and precision. The organizations on the screen there will help guide our program and provide hands-on learning opportunities, and will one day hire many of you. This is where NICC stands out. Our automotive and diesel programs are built around real-world training. You are learning in labs that mirror industry environments, using the same tools and technology you will see on the job. You're gaining experience that prepares you to step into the workforce with confidence. Simply put, the career you are choosing matters. You're entering a field that supports our economy, strengthens our communities, and keeps Northeast Iowa moving forward. Congratulations. This time, we'd like to recognize you, and please share your name and your program, please.
I am Sierra Jump Gerleman, and I am going into the automotive mechanics program.
My name is Anthony Schobert, and I'll also be joining the automotive mechanics program.
This next step marks an important milestone in your journey. As you sign, you're affirming your commitment to complete your NICC program and to graduate prepared to enter the workforce and make an impact. Please sign both letters to confirm your commitment. and leave the first letter on the table for the college. Thank you, and welcome our auto technology students.
The business world is always changing. There's no doubt about that. We reached out to NICC and they were gracious enough to come here on campus to truly understand our operations, to understand exactly what we were looking for.
We can kind of tweak the program in a way that can help us get employees that are very suited for our job.
We just hired a programmer. He came in with a really nice high confidence level in knowing that he could perform for us. The program gives them all the right curriculum to go in and be successful in what they're going to do with their career.
We're helping the community grow so that everyone wins. We can hire people from the area, give them a nice paying job, and at the same time, the community college is providing skilled employees for us to hire. The future is unlimited as we expand into different types of tooling, technology, equipment, and it's a very exciting field to get into.
Next, I'd like to bring to the stage the students who are entering some of our most foundational and in-demand skilled trades in our region. Commercial residential electrician and industrial electrician students. Please come to the stage. These careers are behind the scenes of everyday life. They are the systems that power and heat and cool our homes, and the infrastructure that delivers energy safely. These industries are not just important, they're essential to how our communities function and grow. Thank you to our partners and for your support of these students, the future of the trades workforce. These organizations play a vital role in shaping our programs, providing hands-on training opportunities, and hiring skilled workforce you represent. Employers across our region are looking for individuals just like you who can step in, think critically, and do the job right. These are careers where your skill, attention to detail, and work ethic set you apart. At NICC, that preparation starts on day one. You're learning by doing, working with equipment, tools, and technology that reflect what you will see in the field. You're building skills that translate directly into the workforce and gaining the confidence that comes with real experience. There's a strong sense of pride in this work. You can point to what you have built, installed, or repaired and know that it makes a difference. And in communities like ours, that difference matters. We're proud of you choosing this path and look forward to the role you will play in shaping the future of our communities. This time, we'd like to recognize each of you. Please share your name and the program you're entering.
My name is Bradley Dahl, and I'll be majoring in commercial residential electrician.
My name is Talon Lewison, and I will be joining the industrial electrician program.
My name is Will Teslo, and I will be entering the industrial electricians program.
My name is Ethan Falk, and I'll also be in the industrial electrician program.
My name is Leland Mueller, and I will be in the industrial electrician program.
Thank you. Please sign both letters to confirm your commitment. Leave the first letter on the table for the college to retain as a record. And then you can exit to the left and wait for a group forward photo at the top of the stairs. Please welcome our first group of electricians. Let's meet our second group of students. Please share your name and the program you're entering.
My name's Justin Fortman, and I'm going into the industrial electrician program.
My name's Nathan Kerpal, and I'm going to be entering the industrial electrician program.
My name is Kyle Moss, and I'll be going into the industrial electrician program.
You're about to make it official. Your signature is more than a formality. It's a personal pledge to push through the challenges ahead, complete your NICC program, and walk across that stage ready to launch your career. Please welcome our second group of electricians.
When I enrolled at NICC, I knew basically nothing about computer science at all. I was worried that going to a community college, I wouldn't have the same level or type of foundation as the students who had been at this four-year institution as long as I had. After the end of the program there, I feel on par or even ahead of some of my peers at my new institution. I was actually able to knock a full semester worth of classes off of my current program because I had so much experience from NICC. So I wanted to get a job right away. I could, and if I want to go on and learn more afterwards, I have that foundation with which to do so.
Next up, I'd like to invite students entering careers that drive innovation, efficiency, and the future of industry, computer science and security, to join me on the stage. Throughout our region, manufacturers and industries rely on advanced technology, automation, and skilled problem solvers to keep operations running smoothly. From maintaining complex equipment to designing systems and analyzing data, these careers ensure that business remain competitive and productive. These fields are at the center of how modern systems operate, and the demand continues to grow. Our scholarship and employer sponsors help shape our programs, provide real-world learning opportunities, and will employ the next generation of skilled professionals. As technology evolves, employers are looking for individuals like you who can adapt, troubleshoot, and think critically, people who understand not just how systems work, but how to improve them. At NICC, these programs are built to reflect today's and tomorrow's industry. The training prepares you for a wide range of opportunities, whether you're maintaining automated systems, supporting advanced manufacturing, assisting in engineering processes, or analyzing technology systems. Your skills will be versatile and in demand. These careers often operate behind the scenes, but their impact is significant. We're proud of you for choosing this path and excited to see the role you'll play in our workforce. At this time, we'd like you to share your name and the program you're entering.
I'm Spencer Horns, and I will be majoring in computer science and security.
Thank you, Spencer. By signing today, you're choosing to complete your NICC program and prepare yourself to enter the workforce with the skills and confidence to succeed. Please welcome Spencer to our computer science and security. Next, I'd like to recognize the students entering one of our premier partnership programs, the John Deere Tech program, to the stage. It's a little bigger group. These students are preparing for careers that power agricultural industry across our region and beyond. From farms to construction sites, John Deere equipment plays a critical role in daily operations. And behind that equipment are highly trained technicians who keep it performing at its best. Today's technicians do far more than turn wrenches. They work with advanced machinery, precision systems, and integrated technology. From diagnostics to hydraulics and electronics, this field requires skill, adaptability, and a strong understanding of evolving equipment. Through the John Deere Tech program, you're gaining hands-on experience that directly connects to industry needs. This partnership between NICC and John Deere provides you with access to cutting-edge equipment, expert instruction, and real-world training that prepares you for immediate success in the field. The dealerships on the screen play an important role in shaping your education, offering mentorship, and creating pathways to employment after graduation. This program reflects what makes you NICC unique: strong partnerships, relevant training, and clear connection to careers. You're not only learning a trade, you are building a future in a field that supports our regional economy and keeps essential industries moving forward. Congratulations to each of you. Your group photo will be at the conclusion of the event, so you can return to your seating after signing. At this time, I want you to introduce yourself. We all know which program you're going into.
My name is Timothy Kapler, and I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name's Cale Langston, and I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Brody Cooper. I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
Name's Gage LeGrand, also joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Logan Deemer, and I'm joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Jaden Hagedorn, and I will be also joining the John Deere Tech program.
Thank you very much. This moment represents your commitment to your education and your career path. As you sign, you're confirming your intention to complete the program and enter the workforce prepared to succeed. Please welcome our first group of John Deere Tech students. This is our group 2. Please share your name and confirm your participation in the John Deere Tech program.
I'm Harlan Arvison. I'll be in the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Zach Meyer, and I'll be in the John Deere Tech program.
My name's Riley Scheidel, and I will be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Henry Jacobs, and I will be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Sawyer Graver, and I will be joining the John Deere Tech program.
As you sign, remember this is more than a signature. It's a commitment to your future, your training, and the opportunities ahead. Let's welcome our second group of John Deere Tech students. I'll ask the next group to join me on the stage here. Please share your name and confirm your participation in the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Logan Schmidt. I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Ross Boffman, and I will be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Bruce Kelto, and I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Wells Clark, and I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
My name is Colin Hornsissa, and I'll be joining the John Deere Tech program.
Great. As you step forward to sign, remember that this represents not just the start of your education, but a promise to yourself and those who are counting on you. Your signature is a declaration that you will finish what you start and enter the workforce ready to make an impact. Join me in welcoming our third group of John Deere Tech students. Congratulations to all of our students on this important commitment to their future. Now please join me in welcoming Anna Burns, Executive Director of Advancement, to the stage to present the fun stuff, scholarships.
Sorry, I had a little bit of setup. All right, across our National Signing Day events in Piasta and Calmar, we are awarding a total of $13,000 in scholarships to participating students. Before we begin, I'd like a quick reminder, if you're not selected today, there are additional scholarship opportunities available. All you have to do is complete the NICC scholarship application by June 1st to be considered for additional fall scholarship awards through the NICC Foundation. Last academic year, the NICC Foundation awarded more than $420,000 in scholarships to students. At this time, I'd like to invite President Doms forward to help congratulate our scholarship recipients today. Students, when your name is called, please come forward to accept your scholarship. Individual photos will be taken of each recipient and a group photo once all scholarships have been announced. The photos will be done up at the top with the media screen, just as an FYI. All right, let's begin. All right, so if you want to grab the ag business, sorry, you're going to have to do a little bit of reading. Front. There we go. All right, we're going to start with one $250 ag business scholarship sponsored by the NICC Foundation. Congratulations to Michaela Weber. Congratulations. All right, next we'll be moving on to automotive mechanics. All right. So we will have a $250 NICC Foundation scholarship for one student. Congratulations to Anthony Schubert. It's a long walk down to the front. All right, congratulations. All right, next we'll be moving to beef science technology. And we will also have a $250 signing day scholarship from the NICC Foundation. Going to Emily Rettelich. Congratulations, Emily. All right, following beef science technology, we'll have a $250 NICC Foundation scholarship for computer science and security, right up front. And that will be going to, don't give me two.
There you go.
Spencer Horns. Congratulations, Spencer. All right, next up is dairy science technology with a $250 scholarship. And that will be going to Logan Baldock. Congratulations, Logan. All right, next up are scholarships for our electrician program. So Garin Consulting and Featherlight Trailers both sponsored two $250 scholarships. And then we will have one $500 scholarship by ATEC Metal Technologies. So first we'll draw for the Garin Consulting. Congratulations to Ethan Falk. Congratulations, Ethan. All right, next up, Featherlight. Congratulations to Nathan Kierpaul. Congratulations, Nathan. And our final electrician scholarship from ATEC is going to Justin Fortman. Congratulations, Justin. All right, now moving on to John Deere Technology. Casey Nielsen is providing a $250 sponsored scholarship, and Midwest Machinery is providing 2 sponsored $500 scholarships for John Deere Technology. And we should have a very full bucket for that one. I hit it, sorry. All right, this first scholarship by Midwest Machinery is going to Ross Bauman. Congratulations. By Casey Nielsen is going to Jules Clark. Congratulations. And then our third $500 scholarship by Midwest Machinery is going to Timothy Kapler. Congratulations. All right, last but certainly not least is our Vet Tech program, which will have a $250 scholarship sponsored by the NICC Foundation. Congratulations to Jocelyn Harrison. Congratulations. All right, now we've got to do the final dump for the 1,000. So all in one bucket. Yeah. All right, we have one more. For anyone that hasn't received a scholarship today, your name will be entered into our $1,000 National Signing Day Scholarship that is sponsored by the NICC Foundation. Mix them up well, Dave. This is the big one. Congratulations to Sierra Jump Gurleman. Congratulations. All right, congratulations to all of our scholarship recipients. If you want to head on up to the screen, we'll grab a photo of you all out in the hallway. And now I invite Amy Gaffney to the stage to share some parting remarks.
Thank you, Anna. Congratulations to all of our future students and those who won a scholarship. Amazing, right? How amazing is today? As a reminder, additional NICC Foundation scholarships will be awarded in June, but can't win if you don't play. So make sure that you have not yet applied. Be sure to complete your application by the June 1st deadline. And again, there should be the note there. It is on the link that you can get there and fill it out. Thank you to our industry partners for your continued investment in our students and in the future of our region. Thank you to the NICC Foundation and to our faculty and staff for the support and guidance you provide students every day. Students, this is just the beginning. You've taken an important first step today, and we are excited to welcome you to campus and to be part of what comes next. This concludes our formal program. Please join us in the lobby at the top of the stairs for light refreshments. And again, take advantage of that media screen, take those photo ops. Students, you can also connect with faculty and industry partners by locating your program title on the signs in the lobby. Where you were walking and checking in, look at the wall and you'll see where we have the different program areas listed. Just kind of collect there. Electrician students, however, will meet in room 102, which is down the hall to the right when you exit the auditorium. We ask that John Deere students remain in the auditorium for a photo and to network with faculty, then join us in the lobby after that. Student services team members are also available in room 103, again, outside, just past where you checked in. And there's people you can talk to about advising, about financial aid. We have some housing partners up there as well if you'd like to talk with them. So don't hesitate, 103, whether you can set up appointments or take care of business yet today. Your future starts now. Go make it count. Thank you for being here.